Hello guys, welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia, I'm your Russian language teacher, and in this lesson we continue learning the Russian letters, which look and sound almost the same as an English alphabet. And our first letter is M, M, and it sounds as M, M. M, M. The next consonant is K, K, and we pronounce it as K, K. The next is S, S, and we pronounce it as S, S, S. Note that in the Russian language, this letter has always only one sound, S. And the last one is T, T, and it sounds as T, T. Note that Russian T sound differs from English T sound. To pronounce Russian T, we should put the tip of our tongue just behind your upper teeth. T, 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 like this. So, the letter is T and the sound is T. So, let's review. M, M, K, K, S, S, and T, T. Dear friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about learning Russian, please write them in the comments. And see you soon at our next Russian lesson.